by and take a look at the 2010 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.